Morning to you. As we take a look at the tropics this morning, we are tracking yet another tropical disturbance for you. Tropical storm Katia, which is located well to the northeast of the South American coastline this morning down there in Brazil, well to the southwest of the Cape Verde Islands now off the west coast of Africa. And this is moving along at a pretty steady pace toward the west-northwest. In fact, let's chart the movement on this. And you can see that the Tropical Prediction Center people do have the storm becoming a hurricane, as Jill just told you a couple moments ago, and eventually quite possibly a very powerful hurricane, maybe a Category 3 storm. As he also indicated, though, it is way too early to really try to determine what type of impact this will have on the mainland of the U.S. It is traveling at a little bit of a higher latitude here, and there is the possibility that this may tend to hook a little bit more as it gets closer to the U.S. coastline. So we'll have to watch that. This is something we're going to be keeping a close eye on, at least over the next week or so for you. Max winds in the storm now 63 miles per hour, traveling west-northwest at a pretty good clip, 18 miles per hour. Let's check out the weather in our own neck of the woods this morning as we begin the day. The Erie Canal, Buffalo Harborfront development cam shot of the Skyway. Very tranquil scene along the Buffalo waterfront here as we begin the day. And your weather for today: varying amounts of cloud cover during the course of the day. In the satellite pictures this morning, we're seeing a lot of high cloudiness drifting in from out of the west. There's no rain associated with those high clouds, and these clouds will tend to mix with the sun today. 63 degrees at 8 a.m., 76, maybe a little sunnier for a period during the midday here at noontime, and then a little bit more cloudiness maybe to wrap it up at about 80 degrees at 5 p.m. Super Microcast is showing some of that high cloudiness sneaking into the area, and again, a little bit more of it to go around maybe to wrap up the day. The computer actually trying to squeeze out an isolated shower. This is probably not going to happen. It should turn out to be a mainly rain-free day, though there's going to be a chance of an isolated shower late tonight, and then a greater likelihood of widely scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across the area on Thursday. Not a washout. Most of this during the morning hours, and this should start to wind down during the afternoon, and the clouds may even thin out with some breaks during Thursday afternoon. Then on Friday, we're back to mostly sunny skies. A steamy finish to the week around here to wrap up the week on Friday with warmer and more humid conditions. 80 in the north towns today: Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence, Cheektowaga, Lancaster, and Alden off to the east. That's your high temp. 80 at Batavia, down along the PA line. We're looking at upper 70s down here at Wellsville and Olean, back to the west toward Jamestown and the southern suburbs: Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, East Aurora. About 79, 80 for a high temp this afternoon. Right now, 60 in Buffalo, 59 from the Falls, 55 at Wellsville, 48. Cool down there at Bradford. Jamestown, you're at 61. Becoming a little more humid, too. Niagara Falls, the dew point temperature edging up to that 60-degree mark. As we take a look at your forecast today, partial sun. It's going to be warmer than yesterday, but not a bad day shaping up. 77 to 82 degrees for the overnight. Clouds increase. Chance of an isolated shower later tonight. 54 inland, 64 in the city. Then tomorrow, looking at morning clouds, widely scattered showers, maybe some thunder, some breaks in the cloud cover during the afternoon. 78 to 83. And on Friday, mostly sunny, very warm, more humid. Just an isolated late-day thunder shower. 84 to 87 on Friday, and look for more scattered showers and storms. They're going to be likely over the holiday weekend, tapering off to a few showers on Monday and cooler down to 70. Coming up